Hey guys, welcome to our very first video of the Star Lily Slime Girls channel.
I'm Star.
I'm Lily. Welcome to our channel. We're so excited. It's Valentine's Day and we wanted to make a special Valentine's Day themed slime, but also it's a slime tutorial, so we're going to be making Snow Fizz slime because it's still winter, so that's what we wanted to start our channel with. Alright, let's get right into the video. Let's get started. 1/4 cup of glue. Oh, would you look at that? It's so cool. Food coloring. We have this little bowl of it. Obviously the pinks and the reds.
I want to do red.
And I want to do like a really light pink. Now that we've got our colors mixed in, we're going to put in 2 pumps of foaming hand soap.
Oh, there we go. 1, 2, there we go.
Alright, then we should add about the same amount of shaving cream as there is soap, yeah. Foaming soap. Make sure it's foaming soap. Now I think we're ready for the activator. We have this adorable little bottle. It's saline solution, not borax.
Mine's not activated at all.
Really? Maybe add more shaving cream.
Alright.
Shaving cream can help activate saline solution. Okay, I think...
Yes, we're starting to come together.
Mine's ready to knead with my hands. This looks like strawberry milk. Is yours finally coming together?
No.
Oh. Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Let's activate it. Oh. A lot of it came out. Let's just activate it one more time. Alright, now for the Snow Fizz, my favorite part. Okay. Let's just open this.
That's how much glue we did, but I mean, of course we added shaving cream. Alright, that's good.
If you add in too much at a time, it might make your slime hard. Okay, we added in our Snow Fizz. It has great ASMR. So that's Star's slime. Okay, there we go. There's our Valentine's Day themed slime.
Yes.
Yeah, what are you gonna call your slime?
I'm gonna call it coral something.
Coral cupcakes? Yes.
Mine definitely looks like strawberry milk.
I guess strawberry milk cookie because
On Valentine's Day you eat cookies, so yeah, flavored strawberry cream or strawberry milk. Alright, we'll just roll yours out. Oh, that's good, that's good, that's good. Alright, moment of truth. Let's roll it. Oh my gosh.
It's twist.
Yeah. This is so pretty. Wait, I'm gonna make a swirl. Kind of looks like a candy cane, honestly. Alright, ASMR time. Oh my gosh, that's some great ASMR. Thank you so much for watching our first video. Please subscribe to our channel. It's right there, along with the thumbs up and notification bell. That would be awesome. Happy Valentine's Day, and we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.